In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera angle in SketchUp. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access all of these options that allow you to use preset camera angles and how you will be able to customize the angle, including the field of view for any project that you have. So you will be able to change the field of view, you can change the actual positioning, and if you don't want to use one of these preset positions, you can drag the camera to a specific position yourself manually. So all that you have to do to access all of these options is first, under the toolbars, make sure that views are enabled. So enable this option under the toolbars. When you enable views, you will have full access to all of these preset positions. So you have ISO, you have top, sideways, and so on. As you can see, this will change the direction that this house on the icon, for example, is facing. So you will have a front-facing camera, you have one to the side, you have one on the back, and so on. And you will be able to position it however you prefer. Like I said, these presets are just examples. You don't need to use them, but they make it very quick to observe a certain object, and as long as you place it alongside one of these axes here, you can have a very good view of it. You can see it sideways, see if you notice any imperfections, and position it accordingly. Of course, if you drag your cursor, you will be able to manually place your camera. Now, to change the field of view, all that you have to do is hold Shift while dragging your cursor. And as long as you hold down the Shift button on your keyboard while you move your cursor, you will be able to change the actual field of view. So the field of view allows you to see more or less of the scene. So as you can see, this is a very close-up field of view, and this one is very far. So this one allows us to see the sides of this project and see more, like things that we weren't able to see before. And as long as you change the field of view or you use one of the presets camera views, you will be able to change the camera angle. I hope I was able to help you on how to change camera angle in SketchUp. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.